Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial video. Firstly, you can click this download link. Now click here. Copy this. Type CMD here. Paste the code you just copied. If you see an error, message like this, that means you didn't install Python or add path to Python. But if it worked, skip to 103. So you need to download Python. Remember to click Add Python, exe to path. Now click Customize Installation. Keep clicking Next until finish. Close it and restart. Paste the code. Click this download link. Click the download logo. Click the file logo. Extract it. Now you can open the main file with Python. You should run it in background.